How to fix this person isn't available right now on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix if Messenger says that this person isn't actually available right now, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have the Messenger application installed and if it says that this person isn't actually available, there is only one of two things that can happen. One is either they have their account deleted or deactivated, right? So if you're on Messenger, you try to contact them, it says this person isn't available, it could mean that they have either deleted or deactivated their account. And the other one is a bit of a harsh truth, but unfortunately it could also mean that you have simply been blocked on Messenger by that specific person, point blank period. There are no any of the other bugs. This isn't a bug, this is simply what Messenger tells you when that person has either blocked you or when that person has either actually deleted their Messenger or their Facebook app. Now to confirm either of these, what you can do is, if you have a secondary Facebook account, log into that Facebook account. Just try to search for the name. If their name pops up in the other account, but if it doesn't pop up in the main account, then it most likely means that the person has actually blocked you. If it does pop up in both, then it means that there is just some kind of issue with the account, maybe it's restricted. But in most cases this usually happens when you have simply been blocked or when the other person have had their account deleted. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.